Hey, Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Wednesday, April 17th, 2024. I did pass. You can tell. Let me get my screen draw tool out. It took 15 trading days, and I probably have to pay another $29 because today is the 17th and my renewal is the 18th. And so it's going to, I don't know how that's going to work. Most likely I'm going to have to pay the 29 bucks. Uh, but it also qualifies, so it's above that amount. So I'm not real sure. So it's a question mark. I'm assuming that the 29 will have to be paid. It took a month basically to qualify this account at the 25,000 level. I had to take it easy recently, but it did take 15 trading days to pass. I started this EA on March 18th, and I qualified it on April 17th. So I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to pay the renewal fee, 30, and then obviously the PA fee once I decide to do that. You notice I have another EA in the works. I let one of them renew, EA 155, which I believe also has a renewal of the 14th, roughly, I think, of next month. Oh, now it's boogieing. So, to bring you up to speed, my mother-in-law passed away Friday, early morning, about 2:15 a.m. on Friday. We had a viewing. Obviously, I didn't trade Friday. Also didn't trade Monday and Tuesday. We had the viewing on Monday and the funeral yesterday on Tuesday. Awesome mother-in-law, can't speak. It's just a wonderful woman. I wanted to ease back into trading, take my time. Um, there were a couple breaks during this particular time that I took around Easter. I took a break, and then I took a break, obviously, with my to be there with for my wife and just do the things that need to be done because it's just not easy. It's not easy to bury a loved one, and especially one that was so um, loved. A great woman. I don't really want to talk much more today. I'm kind of still emotional, and but I wanted to qualify this account, and we'll start working on EA 155. And when I decide to pay for the PA, which might not be until next week, it is what it is right now. I just wanted to qualify this account and start working on another EA, working my way hopefully, and taking my time, not worrying about when it gets paid and paid out. And, today was I needed basically all of this today. I was within less than 300 bucks of going to the next level. My yesterday account, or yesterday, the last day I traded was the 11th. I was at 26,309. And today you can see I finished up at 26,518. So up to about $209 overall after commission costs. So about 80 bucks or 60 bucks or whatever that is, commission cost today. So it did take a while to get there. I was trading 6 contracts. It was touch and go. I had to let me get this off the screen here. The spreadsheet called for higher. We've went up considerably since the last time I recorded a video. It's the ADR is above 4, and obviously last time we talked, we were trading above the 18,000 level in MNQ, and we're below the 18,000 level now. Today's open was 17,897. Notice that ADR was 4.02. It basically, let me pull this out. Let me bring this over, and then my spreadsheet. It called for an 82R stop today, and so I only went with 6 contracts. I debated about 5 or 6 or even 4 today, but I would have reduced if I was started losing. I didn't lose today. I had 3 winners, 2 losers, and 5 break-evens to get here today. So the break-evens kind of kept me in the ball game. The losers kind of kept them short and sweet. Used my lines that I have on the charts with the volume levels above 50, above 70, 80, orange, red, and magenta, as I've been using to help determine support and resistance lines. Had a nice move from S2 to S1 there, by the way, just recently. It looks like didn't take long to get there either, like 5-6 minutes. Anyway, so you can see where the profit targets were: 91, 181, 362. Take a lot less along the way, but that's how it was set up today to take advantage of the market. Here's the 1 minute chart. Look at this movement here that just happened when I started recording. I was able to capture a long and a short and another shorts and another long, but I did not catch this move. Look at this. This is probably the best move of the day, right? Look at that. See, was it a signal that you could have taken? So you had divergence basically, and then an up move. Maybe getting out right in that area on that 1 minute chart, or definitely getting out right at the S1 mark. Maybe looking for VWAP today. Wow, did not catch that one. Looking back, you can see it was kind of grinded out type of stuff today, and then finally it breaks out. I guess you can see it. Let's say it's a GAN signal, right? Here's your. Let's break this out here. This happens an awful lot on all kinds of time frames if you can find it and see it. I was looking for this kind of movement for the long today. All these attempts at that level, and finally it breaks out, breaking that trend line on the GAN. William Dilbert Gann always talked about this kind of movement, breaking up, breaking up, breaking up, and finally it getting through. It takes care of all the buys are obviously stronger through here, and then they're unloading, and then finally there's nothing there to stop it from going up until it finds some more sellers or profit takers from the ones that are buying on this move coming in down here, and then they unload it up here. Nice move between S1 to S2 today. Very, very nice manipulated move. All right, let's wrap it up here. It's Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. I appreciate you watching the videos I put up. I hope that you had an awesome trading day. I know a lot of you guys do a lot better than I do. I'm just grinding it down in the 25,000 account. This one's qualifying to go to a PA so that I can work my way and grind my way out to $1,500 payout on this account, and then get another one there, and eventually, hopefully by the end of the year, have 4 PAs or 5 PAs pulling out between $3,000 and $6,000 kind of at the end of the year is kind of my overall goal right now. All right, talk to y'all later. Today once again was April 17th, Wednesday, April 17th, 2024. God bless. Take care. I'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.